Title insurance. What in the world is it and how does it actually work? Most people have heard of title insurance, especially if you've bought a property, but very few actually understand what it does. When you buy real estate, you're wiring hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars to a title company. And so you want to make sure when you do that, you actually own the property after closing. Free and clear, no surprises, no one showing up later claiming they have a right to the property. So how do you know who owns a property? Well, there is a legal document called a deed that gets recorded with the county. When a property sells, a new deed is signed and recorded showing the new owner. But things can go wrong, and that is where title insurance comes in. Title insurance protects you against issues with the ownership history of the property. Here are a few examples. Let's say a previous owner forged a signature on a deed and someone is claiming that they still own the property. Let's say there was an unknown heir of a former owner that